Good afternoon. Welcome back into Midday in Kansas. We're wrapping up this Monday with Charlene Patton, the Kansas Soybean Commission, talking about June and cooking with kids this month. It is a great time to get the kiddos inside the kitchen and helping you out, not just with the dishes. We can actually make fun and interesting and tasty things. And Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission is joining us this afternoon. Good afternoon, Charlene.
Hello, Chris. It's nice to be with you. We are going to make a basic yeast dough. I just love this idea. I had my grandchildren here with me over the weekend. We made a basic yeast dough, and then you're going to see all the fun things you can do with it. But to get started, we're going to place warm water in a large bowl. I have Ezra that's helping me this morning, and we're going to sprinkle the yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar on that mixture, and then stir it. And we want to wait till the yeast starts to bubble a little bit, about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add the oil, which is our Kansas soybean product. We're going to add 1 cup of soy flour blend, mix that with some salt, and add that to make, and keep adding some flour to make a soft dough. Once we get that soft dough, then we're going to put this out on a lightly floured surface and knead it. And what a great opportunity for kids to learn how to knead. And Ezra's only 4, but watch him as he folds the dough. We push it with the heel of our hands. Don't use your fingers, and then turn it. And if your hands get a little sticky, just put a little bit more flour on it. It's good to put a little flour on the board that they can just kind of slide their hands in a little bit. Once that dough is kneaded, about 5 minutes, then you're going to put it in a lightly greased bowl. Turn it over so the top is greased too, and then cover it with a clean towel and let it rise until it's double. That's going to be about 45 minutes. And then, Chris, the fun begins. So this bread dough you can use for all kinds of things, and it's a great way to have fun with your kids in the kitchen.
Looks wonderful. Thanks, Charlene. And if they want this recipe and the others that we covered this morning to get your kids in the kitchen, they can go to your website, right?
That's right, kansassoybeans.org. And you can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. And be sure to ask us to send the kids packet with all kinds of coloring sheets and activities they can learn about Kansas agriculture and soybeans.
All right, keep learning this summer. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, thanks for your time this afternoon. Great recipes.